If Evernote keeps opening every time you turn on your computer, you're not alone. And the good news is, it only takes a minute or two to stop it. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to disable Evernote from launching on startup, whether you want to change the setting inside the app or turn it off directly in Windows. This is a simple fix, but it can make your computer boot a little faster and keep your desktop from loading apps you do not need right away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips. Let's jump in. First, I'll show you the most common method using the Evernote app itself. Open the Evernote desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, look down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This will open your account and app options. From there, select Settings. Inside Settings, you want to look for the Preferences section, then find the Application settings. Depending on the version of Evernote you have, the option may say Open Evernote at Startup, or it may say Launch Evernote on System Startup. Both options do the same thing, so if you see either one, you're in the right place. Now all you need to do is uncheck that box or toggle it off. As soon as you turn that setting off, Evernote should stop launching automatically when your computer starts. This is usually the fastest and easiest fix, and in many cases, it's all you need to do. If you ever want Evernote to open on startup again later, you can always come back to this same setting and turn it back on. If you do not see the option in Evernote, or if it still opens on startup after changing the app setting, then use the second method through Windows. This works especially well if startup behavior is being controlled at the system level. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time. To open Task Manager, if Task Manager opens in a compact view, you may need to click More Details so you can see all the tabs and startup options. Next, click the Startup tab. On some newer Windows versions, you may see a Startup Apps section or icon on the left sidebar instead. Either way, you're looking for the list of apps that are allowed to launch when Windows starts. Scroll through the list until you find Evernote. Once you locate it, right-click on Evernote and choose Disable. This tells Windows not to load Evernote automatically during startup. After that, you can close Task Manager and restart your computer if you want to confirm the change. When your PC starts back up, Evernote should stay closed unless you open it manually. If it still appears, go back and double-check both places, the Evernote app settings and the Windows startup list. In some cases, startup behavior can be controlled in more than one location, so it's worth checking both. And that's it. You've now learned how to stop Evernote from opening on startup using both the in-app settings and Windows Task Manager. This is a quick way to reduce clutter and speed up your startup routine. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.